Welcome to week 2. I know a lot of you are already in the classroom and others you're still waiting to get in, and how exciting this is to actually be teaching for most of you. So we are in week 2, and make sure you read, as always, the textbook, and you are going to begin to create a digital portfolio. This is a great example, a great activity that you can continue to build on throughout your career. Many of you will be looking for positions or advancement, and this is something you can continue to use to look. So here's some resources on that. You are going to begin with that teaching portfolio setup, and you can use any portfolio website you want. It's up to you. There are many free ones out there that are very, very well put together. So choose one you think is appropriate. And this week you're only going to create the framework. So you're going to send me a link for the assignment, and you're going to have a folder for the introduction, a folder for this, a folder for this, a folder for this, a folder for this, and then you'll be putting these things in and give this to me again at the end of the course, the link. So just create the folders or the categories, whatever they call them in your portfolio, and send me the link for this assignment, and then you'll be filling this in during the course. Now, you are going to be introduced to the STEP assignment this week, and there are a series of assignments each week that you're going to do. This week you're working on demographics of your school, geographic, district, and to do that again, there's this assignment right here on STEP assignments, which I have somewhere right there. Download this, and you're just going to fill this in. Make sure you put your name up here put your name there, and then down here, Step 1 this week, Standard 1, you're going to fill this in, okay? Public data, and you go through here, community, student demographic, environmental factors, academic factors. You know, some of this may be information. Get with your cooperating teacher. You may have students who are on IEP. You're just putting numbers here and modifications. So you're looking for diversity there, and that's what you do for this week, and turn that in. Next week, the next time, you'll do this one. So you'll do a different one each week. Now the discussion question asks you to reflect on the demographics that you're going to use here. So that's very well related. So a couple important things: get your portfolio started, get the first assignment, the step started, and just keep giving your best in the classroom. Make sure you consult your cooperating teacher. He or she's a great source for you. And then begin to coordinate with your Grand Canyon supervising teacher, who will come to evaluate you 4 times during this term. So you want to get your calendars together. Again, congratulations on this great adventure. I look forward to accompanying you on it.